Hi, this is William Hughes, Master Electrician here at KB Electric. Today we're going to be showing you how to connect CAT6 jacks. Pretty much the same configuration as a CAT5E jack. First off, take your wire, cut it, make sure you have a nice, smooth, clean cut. From there, you want to strip it about an inch back from the outer casing. Then, you want to separate your pairs. You don't have to move them around a lot. They're basically going to stay together, but you do want to straighten them out, usually with your fingers, to make a nice, smooth, straight connection. We have two different forms. We have the A and the B. This is the A, this is the B. We go with the B configuration since it is more widely used. If you want to get a zoom up on that. In here you can see the difference between the A and the B. Really it's just a couple wires in different spots, but it does make all the difference. So from there, you're going to be taking your wiring and punching them down one by one. If you want to get close. After you're completely done, if you take a very good look, you're going to see that all the wires are cut smooth and they are punched down completely. Now you do not need to strip the wiring beforehand. They have little grooves in there that dig into the wire to send the signal. After you are completed with that, you put your cap on. Now we only cut back about an inch because you don't want any of the wiring exposed on the outside. From there we put it onto our jack, plug it into the wall, screw it in, and you are good to go. All right, thank you.